you have a business, you have an advocacy, you have an organization, or that you're just practically leading something, and you want more people to join you, and you want more people to be part of what you're doing, you should be doing video marketing like right now. If you are not sure how to do that, because let's say you're a small organization, you're a small brand, and you keep telling yourself, video is super scary. And in a way, that can be scary. But I'm not here today to talk about that. Today, I want to talk about how to help you, create your own videos. So the first question that you need to ask yourself is, are you willing to spend money on your video marketing? So if you are really willing to spend money on your video marketing, then probably you can just go ahead, and spend that money. But if you are a business owner who's thinking about, where can I possibly use this money instead of paying, spending on video marketing? Because let's face it, if you're a small business, there's a lot of things that you need to consider when in terms of spending money. But what can you do right now if you think your only option is to work on your own video? So nowadays, it's like uh, Zoom meetings, everywhere. So why don't you consider not just Zoom? You can use Google Meet. You can use, Facebook has its own video conferencing tool now. You can use all those stuff and just interview your customers, interview your partners, interview your collaborators, or interview the people that you follow. There are cases that you can do that, and use those video as a marketing collateral, as a marketing video. And the thing about doing those interviews and this capturing bits and pieces of those interviews is it helps you a lot. You learn to gain confidence in asking questions. You gain to learn confidence in talking in front of a camera, although it's a computer technically or a smartphone. But there's a lot that you can pick up when you decide to go this route of creating videos by using video calls, interviews, Zoom conference, Zoom calls, and get those interview pieces as part of your marketing video. So with that, it's a decision that you have to make as a business owner right now. I have a lot of videos on this channel that can help you, figure out, navigate your way as a small business owner, how you can really, be an expert in creating your own marketing videos. I hope you check out the channel, and if you're getting any value out of this video, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you wouldn't miss out on videos like this in the future.